Hi traders, hope you had a great trading week. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Now the pound yen has rejected up here twice on a weekly basis at 183.81. Back down to day support at 181.09. Is this level going to break? That's the level to watch at the start of the week. Does it break? Become resistance for a move down towards weekly support at 178.11. Now support could hold at the start of the week for a move back up the range, so 181.09 is the level to watch. Does it break or hold as support? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.